Welcome to Traveluzz YouTube channel. As I shared on the first video, I'm going to show you today how to save a lot of money, up to 50% discount on a hotel reservation. So if you are a fan of traveling and if you use hotels a lot, this will really make you save a lot of money. So let's go and discover it together. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Here we go. We type hotwire.com in your browser and then we choose our destination. Let's, for example, put London, and then let's just choose any date like 28th, 21st of January, and then one room, 2 adults, 0 children. Where here you can still choose whatever you want, and then click on find a hotel. And then you will see here a lot of options to filter based on your preferences. And then here you see all hotels, hot rates, standard rates hotels. So let's just pick the first one. First of all, here if you look, we find the deal of the day. So sometimes you find deal of the day chosen by the website itself. Otherwise here you might say hot rate 4-star hotel, and it's just $49. And then here you find hotels with names, like for example this one without name, so you don't really know which hotel it is. Similar comes here. And then you have here more other options where you can find 30% off, again not knowing which hotel it is. And then if you want to have more results, you just click on it, and then here you have again hot rate 4-star, etc. And you could just, if you want to filter this all in getting only like the hot rates, you just click on here and you have all the options here, as you can see. So yeah, it's very simple. Here you have 35% off. The rate was $122 and now it's $79. And here you have 36, $194, and now it's $124. And as you see, also let's just pick one of the hotels. Let's just pick this hotel, here. And we have to look first of all at the rating, 4.2 out of 5, very good. Number of reviews 987. Expedia, so we have to refer to Expedia, and then we click on it like this. So we are in. So the rate was $90, now it's $62. How to know which hotel is this? Because it doesn't say the hotel, just say the location of the hotel, the area, basically, not the location, not the exact location, but the area. So the typical way and the easy way to find out is to go through this rating summary. So we have condition of the hotel 4.2, quality of service 4.3, room comfort 4.2, and the room cleanliness 4.5, and the overall is 4.2. Number of reviews 987. So this is the typical way, and this is the old way which people use to find which hotel it is. And today I'm gonna show you a different way. So we just click here on the reveal actual hotel photo. We just go into the snipping tool, we click on new, we take it here like this, and then we're going to save it on the desktop. And then it is already existing, so I already did it earlier. Just click on yes, and then we go to Google image, we click here, then upload an image, then we click on choose file, click on capture, and then here it should give us the hotel. As you see here, DoubleTree Alien Junior Suite. So we click on it, and then you see DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel. We go to Expedia. Here in the Expedia we are able to filter. So first of all, since it's a 4-star hotel, we click on it 4-star, and then the guest rating was 4.2, so it's very good, 4+. We scroll down here looking for 4.2 and 987 reviews. So we go back, and 4.2, no, number of reviews is not the same. 4.1, 4.2 for 62 reviews only. 4.2, 1085. Then 4.2, 990. So close to it. And we go to scroll down further. 4.2, number of reviews is not the same. 4.2, no, 4.2. Here we go. So here we have a DoubleTree by Hilton London Inn Hotel. So we can check with this way too, confirming that it's 4.2, 992. Here we have 987, so a little difference there. And if you'd like to check further, just have to check this part to confirm, to make sure it's the same hotel. So we already clicked on it. This is the hotel. This is the photo which you have seen earlier, and here is the price, 92, and here we have 62. So there's a big difference. It's $30. So let's say that Expedia is a third-party website or travel agent. So we go to the hotel website, which is hilton.com, and we have the same dates here, January 20 to January 21st, and here we have the lowest price is $90, and you see other room categories. So yes, this is exactly the money saver. So 62 out of 90, and here we have 90, and here we have 92. So this is the best deal, and there are many more options here, as I said earlier. Same way you try to find the hotel, and I believe you're gonna save a lot of money. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next video.